Hello ladies and gentlemen, we meet again in one of my video, but before I introduce the topic of my video, I think I guess it is appropriate to me to introduce myself first, because some of you may not know who am I. So my name is Gina Liban Anak Gilbert Gucci. You guys can call me Gina, and today I have something special that I want to introduce to you guys. So this is it. Hello guys, meet Tammy. So Tammy is my stress reliever doll. So if I feel sad or I'm feeling stressed out, I will usually sleep with Tammy throughout the night, and the next day I feel okay. So maybe ladies and gentlemen, you are puzzled. Why am I introducing Tammy to you guys? Maybe you guys are wondering, maybe I'm talking about stuffed animal or anything, but actually what I wanted to highlight here is when I hug Tammy, if I feel stressed today, when I hug Tammy, I feel happy tomorrow. So what I wanted to stress here is I know the difference between sadness and depression. So I know that I'm not feeling depressed. And so sadness and depression, ladies and gentlemen, people don't know how to use them. Some people feel sad, but they think they are having depression. Some people are having depression, but they think they are only sad. Some people view it like that. The reason why people view it like that, because the symptoms are quite the same. So but somehow I can see the difference. From my point of view, I can see the difference between sadness and depression. For example, how I view sadness. Sadness is when you're feeling sad today, somehow you are able to feel happy tomorrow, the next day, and the other day. You can even feel happy throughout the whole year, the rest of your life, without feeling any sadness. But however, depression is different in the sense where you are surrounded by happy people, positive people, but you still feel gloomy about yourself. You still feel sad, even though you went to a party, the party was a blast, but when you return home, you still feel all alone. You feel like you are worthless. So that is how I view depression. Quoted from the American Psychiatric Association, depression is a common and also a serious medical illness that somehow negatively affects the way how we feel, how we think, and also the way we act. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you didn't know, we have a lot of types of depression. There are various types of depression out there. So we have psychotic depression, we have major depression, and also bipolar depression, the types of depression that we usually heard of. So ladies and gentlemen, if you feel any symptoms of depression, where do you go? So you guys can go and seek from help from any psychiatrist in the hospital. Of course, if we feel ill, we go to the hospital to seek from help. But don't ever seek from help from the web. Nowadays I notice some teens, they usually self-diagnose themselves with depression through a quiz they found in the web. They answer the question, and somehow they believe that question somehow diagnose them having depression inside of them. So that is not how it works. Do not trust any web's poll in the internet regarding depression. You should go to the psychiatrist in order to know. You cannot just answer question from the internet, because not everything in the internet is true. So let's get back to the reason why I decided to do this video today, and what is the topic that I wanted to talk about today. So the topic that I wanted to talk about is how we deal with depression. Is depression curable? The answer is yes, as long as you seek help from the right person, which is the hospital or the psychiatrist.